Welcome to my channel. Have you ever listened to English again and again, but still felt lost? What if daily? English listening with subtitles could help you understand faster and speak with confidence in just 7 days? Stay with me until the end, because this video will change how you listen, how you speak, and how you feel about English. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel for daily English practice. Like this video if you really want to improve, and comment "Listen daily" to promise yourself that you will watch the full video and practice with me. Now let's move forward without slowing down. Chapter 1: Why Listening Feels So Hard at First. Let me say this clearly. If English listening feels hard, you are not weak. Most people never notice this, but listening is the hardest skill for beginners. You read slowly, you write slowly, but English audio moves fast. That shock hurts confidence. But here's the strange part. Your brain is not broken. It is just not trained. When you listen to English, sounds connect, words disappear, sentences feel long, you panic. Your mind says, "I don't understand," and then you stop listening. This happens to almost everyone. But let me show you what changed everything for me. I stopped blaming myself. I changed the method. Listening is not about catching every word. This is very important. Most learners try to understand everything. That is the mistake. Real listening is about catching meaning, rhythm, and emotion. And this is where subtitles enter the story. But here's the strange part. Subtitles can help you or destroy your listening. It depends on how you use them. If you only read, your ears sleep. If you only listen, your mind panics. But when you balance both, something powerful happens. Imagine this. You listen to one short English audio. You see the subtitles, you relax, you feel safe. Your brain says, "I can follow this." That feeling matters. Confidence opens the door to learning. Without confidence, practice dies. In this chapter, remember one thing. You are not bad at English listening. You are just at the beginning. And the beginning is always loud, fast, and confusing. But don't worry, because in the next chapter, I will show you the right way to use subtitles so they train your ears, not replace them. Chapter 2: The Right Way to Use Subtitles. Now, let's talk honestly. Many people say subtitles are bad, others say subtitles are good. So, which one is true? But here's the strange part. Both are right and both are wrong. It depends on one simple rule. The wrong way is easy to explain. You press play, you read every word, your eyes work hard, your ears do nothing. When subtitles disappear, you feel lost again. Most people never notice this trap. They think they are learning, but they are only reading. Now, let of what way? You use subtitles as support, not as crutches. First, you listen and read together. You don't pause, you don't translate. You let the sound and text move together. Let me show you what changed everything. After 1 or 2 listens, you stop reading every word. You start listening more. Your brain begins to match sound with meaning. This is powerful. This is how subtitles train your ears. Slowly, the text becomes less important, and that is the goal. But here's another surprise. Beginners need subtitles at first. Yes, they do. Removing subtitles too early creates stress. Stress blocks learning. Comfort allows learning. So don't rush. Trust the process. Think of subtitles like training wheels on a bike. At first, you need them. Later, you don't even think about them. After a few days of daily listening, something strange happens. English starts sounding clearer, not slower, clearer. This chapter prepares you for the most important part, because subtitles alone are not enough. Listening alone is not enough. Speaking must enter. And that brings us to the core method that changes everything. Shadowing. Chapter 3. Shadowing with subtitles. This is the heart of the video. Shadowing sounds complex, but it is very simple. You listen, and you speak at the same time, quietly or loudly. Your choice. But here's the strange part. You don't wait. You don't repeat after. You speak with the audio. At first, this feels uncomfortable. Your mouth feels slow. Your brain feels confused. That is good. That means learning is happening. Most people stop here. They think something is wrong. But let me show you what changed everything. Discomfort is progress. Now, add subtitles. You listen. You see the words. You speak with the speaker. Your eyes guide you. Your ears follow. Your mouth copies. This activates your brain fully. Listening becomes active, not passive. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about speed. Even if you miss words, keep going. Shadowing trains rhythm, pronunciation, and confidence at the same time. This is why it works so fast. Most people never notice this, but shadowing turns listening into speaking practice. Your brain learns English as sound, not as rules. This is how children learn. This is how actors learn lines. This is how you learn too. Do this daily with short audio. 1 or 2 minutes is enough. Repeat it 2 or 3 times. And now you're ready to see results. But what happens after a few days? Let's talk about that next. Chapter 4. What changes after 3 days? After 3 days of daily listening with subtitles and shadowing, small changes appear. They are quiet, but real. You understand a few words without reading. You feel less tired when listening. You don't panic as fast. Most people never notice these early signs, but they matter. Here's the strange part. English doesn't change. You change. Your ears relax. Your brain stops fighting the sound. Listening becomes less scary. That alone is a big win. You also start recognizing repeated phrases. Simple ones. I think so. Let me check. That makes sense. These phrases stick because you heard them, read them, and spoke them. Triple learning. Some learners feel disappointed here. They expect magic. But let me show you what changed everything. Language growth is quiet. Confidence grows before fluency. Always. At this stage, subtitles feel lighter. You don't stare at them, you glance at them. And sometimes you forget they are there. That is progress. And now comes the moment most learners are waiting for. The 7-day change. This is where things feel different. Let's move there. Chapter 5. The 7-day listening transformation. After 7 days, something surprising happens. English starts sounding familiar. Not easy, but familiar. Your brain predicts sounds. You hear a sentence and feel like you know where it's going. This shocks many learners. Here's the strange part. You didn't study grammar. You didn't memorize words, but your listening improved. Why? Because your brain adapted. You need subtitles less now. Sometimes you turn them off, sometimes you turn them on. You control them, they don't control you. Shadowing feels smoother. Your mouth moves faster, your pronunciation improves naturally. You don't think about it, it just happens. Most people never reach this stage because they quit too early. This is the moment confidence appears. You feel proud. You think, I can do this. And that belief is powerful. It keeps you going. Now, the question is simple. How do you keep this habit alive? Let's finish with a routine you can use every day. Chapter 6. Your daily listening routine. Here is your simple daily routine. No pressure, no excuses, 10 to 15 minutes. That's all. Choose short English audio. Use subtitles first. Listen and read once. Then shadow twice. Don't pause, don't translate. After a few days, try one listen without subtitles. Just listen. Even if you don't understand everything, keep going. Trust your ears. Most people overcomplicate this. Don't. Consistency beats talent. Daily listening builds strong ears. Shadowing builds strong speech. If you do this every day, English becomes part of your life. Not a subject, not a fear, a skill you use. Now it's your turn. Subscribe to the channel for daily English listening practice. Like this video if you stayed till the end, and comment "Day 1 done" to start your journey today. Don't wait. Your English improves when you listen today, not tomorrow.